Hey.
This is a little weird, but I'm very excited. Thank you, Aishwarya. Give it up for
Yay.
Aishwarya. I
Thank
know.
you, Aishwarya.
Yay! Thanks to me. I don't know for what, but yay.
You are the first guest in the first episode of Sunna.
So all this experimentation will be done by me.
On
me.
Yes, on you. Aishwarya has this wonderful ability. No matter what amazing thing you tell her, she'll be like, "Oh, so this sucks about it? Okay, cool." And then she always does this. Like I invited her to be in the music video with me, and she said, "Oh, so you asked these 6 girls before me? I see. Okay."
Oh, I'll come for that, by the way.
Yeah, I have experienced this.
And I realized I didn't say yes.
Yeah,
only.
she didn't. And I was like, "Wait, is she mad? I hope she's not mad."
No,
And
of course I was not. If I would be mad, I'd just be like, cool, yeah, I'm busy. Maybe next time.
And then
I'm
figure
very
out.
polite when I'm mad.
Also, she's giving me what you can't see is that she's giving me a death stare. So, like, the politeness is kind of balanced with this, like, death stare.
That's just my face, guys. I'm telling you. A lot of people keep telling me that I have this face which is just mean and rude and obnoxious, and that's just my face.
And that is just her face.
Yeah.
And on that wonderful note, I'm going to introduce the guest host for this month,
Yeah.
Ruben
Hi.
Karuskar.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, yay!
Yay!
Woo!
Yeah, to
I
me.
love that we're also giving fake applause while we do this. Maybe in edit, I'll add like a layer of woohoo, like
no.
the fake applause
Please
thing.
don't.
Please, no?
Please don't. No.
It'd be so funny.
To you. Just to you. She are.
Setting the tone for the podcast, you guys. So the way I've planned these podcasts is I'm going to have a guest host every month, and that guest host is going to bring a topic with them, and I will talk about that topic with 4 guests, so that the topic is well covered. We have different perspectives, and I get to hang out with more cool people rather than just Ruben Karuskar.
Yes.
This is the plan.
You're my only cool friend, so I'm glad to be here.
You think I'm
Yeah.
cool?
I mean, if you compare yourself with my other friends, yeah, you're cool.
Oh my god.
I'm not saying
Also,
you're
by the way,
cool.
Aishwarya is sitting right next, just doing eye rolls.
Okay then.
As we say all of this.
Cool.
And this, she invited me this co-host now. That's why.
yeah.
You're also cool. Like,
You're also
eh?
cool only.
You're-
You're actually too cool, maybe.
Yeah, I'm
That's
too
the-
secure in my coolness to get offended by this. I'm just
Yeah, she's
okay,
like,
you can
whatever,
just-
I'm actually cool. I don't need this shit from either of you.
This image that Ayushi portrays of me now, only Ayushi has of me.
Really?
Nobody else thinks of me like this.
No?
Nobody.
At all?
At all.
Oh no, like because I even talked about this on Abhisha's podcast, and the whole time she was just like, "What are you saying? Nobody else thinks this. Why are you putting your like views out there about Aishwarya?" She was just like, "What did I do?" And then I was like, "No, I'm kidding." And she's like, "Yeah, you're kidding." And then it was awkward.
No,
Oh my
but it's
God.
true. If I didn't know her, I would be very intimidated by her.
But by Aishwarya, that's
Yeah.
what I mean.
But
to
you guys
say.
know me. That's my
Yeah.
point. Why still that image? I can
funny.
totally understand when you don't know me, right? I'm very like, I feel thoda weird to speak to new people and stuff. So I just get a little awkward. But when I know you, then I'm chill as fuck, dude.
You are. I
You are,
love
yeah.
you. That is why you're the first guest, Aishwarya.
Yeah, maybe the others weren't free, no? At 12:30.
See, do you see what I mean?
So much
She's like the
insecurity,
first guest, and she's like, nobody else was free. Were they, Ayushi? Oh.
Uruj ne mana kiya na?
I didn't even say that, yeah. I mean, I thought it, but I didn't say it.
Will Uruj be on this podcast? Won't she be? I mean, you have to listen and find
I'm
out.
still here, dude.
But no, okay. So the topic for the first month, and this was honestly just born out of a live that I was doing with Ruben, and we were live, and we were just we started doing like improv jokes
Yeah.
about being single, and about the improv line that we were doing was "sex with me is like," and then just my followers joined in, Ruben's followers joined in, and everyone was just doing like one line.
I was there in that
Yeah,
live.
she
Yeah,
was
you were there. And you
exactly.
stole the show. You and Rahul Subramanian.
Exactly.
Oh.
This one and Rahul Subramanian came, and I was like, guys, this is my
our
life.
life.
This is one to
It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot. I think that is one of the few lives that I've actually enjoyed.
Aw.
You know, because there's something happening, the audience is engrossed, everyone's thinking.
Yeah.
You don't feel like leaving.
And then all of the followers also joined in, and they were
Yeah.
doing like different
Yeah.
tags, and
Yeah.
they
A lot
they
of fun.
felt, and they also like, because I got DMs about it later. They're like, it was so cool to kind of do the same thing as comedians,
Oh yeah.
and then just kind of be part of this process, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, yeah, well, you feel at home in my DMs, so like whatever. But the topic for the first month is singlehood.
Yeah.
And singledom and all of the little suffixes to single. But
You have the best co-host for this.
I feel like if there is one word that can very accurately sum up my entire existence, it is single. So I feel like it's a great start and like a great way to go into this podcast and talk about it. So I want to start by asking Aishwarya, when was the first time you dated?
I was 13.
Killing it! Oh my god!
Wow.
Yes, I was 13. I have like an entire set about it.
Oh yeah, I've
I've
heard about
heard
this.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Email wala.
Yeah.
It is very funny. So we won't ask Aishwarya to reveal the whole thing.
Yeah,
on the
because I'm
podcast.
releasing it
Ooh!
Oh.
You heard it here first.
I'm releasing that bit. But yes, I started dating when I was 13. And that relationship was not exactly a relationship.
Okay.
Because
because you were 13.
I was 13. But oh my God, kids these days are just too mature and
Yeah.
too like 18-year-olds
I agree.
at 13-year-old. But anyway, mine was a proper 13-year-old. I dated him for 3 years, and not once did we go out on a date. Not once did we hold hands. If he touched, like I remember we were in the bus, we were going in the bus somewhere, and his hand touched my hand by mistake. And he immediately took it off and he was like, I'm so sorry. I felt, ye hai na, acha ladka. Haan,
Not sanskari. Oh my
not
god.
that guy. There was this play that we had done together, okay, where he was the frog and I was the nightingale.
Okay.
It's the poem.
Okay.
Yeah, and we were the main characters. And at some point, he was supposed to put his hand around my waist.
Scandal.
Yeah, so I have already imagined this, okay? Dude, that moment, इतनी बार दिमाग में सोच लिया कि कल आयुष अपना हाथ मेरे कमर पे रखने वाला है. Oh my god.
And I'm sure Ayush must have practiced with a cushion. कितना फिंगर रखने का ऐसा एक फिंगर दो फिंगर
This boy,
सब पाम टच होएगा तो क्या होएगा
this boy, what a nice boy. He didn't hold me, dude. He kept like a
He did the hover hand.
hover hand.
He did
Of
a
course he
hover
did a
hand.
hover
The
hand.
OG. He was the OG of the hover
Dude, I
hand.
can't believe it. This boy was too nice. And then his parents, everyone had come to see the play or whatever, okay? And I remember, so I was standing with my mom, he was standing with his mom, and we were talking. And there was this huge part of me which was like, should I touch her feet?
Peripona Maji.
Should I really touch her feet? Should I just go for it? Because, I have to do it at some point in my life because she's going to be my mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
As well set a good standard.
Yeah.
But I think good sense prevailed and I didn't. But oh man, I was itching to just touch her feet. Yeah, I just really wanted to do it.
Super quickly.
Yeah.
Just Maji.
Like I was recently telling Ayush about this kid, dude, I really wanted to touch your mom's feet.
Wait, are you friends now?
Oh, yeah,
Are you still
yeah.
friends?
Yeah, we're good friends.
And how long did you date Ayush?
3 years. We used
So
to send
13
mails to each other.
So 13 to 16, very formative relationship.
13
Like,
to
you know,
15.
15.
Yeah.
Oh, 13 to 15.
Yeah.
I want to ask, this is your first relationship at 13, but when was the first time you guys felt something for someone? At what age?
I was 17.
Like,
You psycho.
No, dude, वो तो
No, he's
time
talking.
है,
I think he's talking about
आयुष
like
के
a
पहले कोई था
crush.
क्या? मतलब you felt
Oh,
something
felt
as in
something like that.
attraction or something.
Oh, like that.
Like,
oh,
when was
Ayush
the-
was my first crush.
Yeah.
Ayush only? Oh.
So I didn't get to date my first crush because he already had a girlfriend.
Oh, how
That's
old
what
were
I was 12. I was
Huh.
12. I was in 7th standard, and he was the cutest boy, and I was just so into him, and I got like giddy about it, and that made me very like I was very cool up to that point, and then it got very giddy, so I got very uncool very quickly, and now in my head I blame it all on this boy. It was like, you're the reason that I wasn't cool for like 6 months in 7th standard.
So
Because
you
I
you
got
had this crush on him and you like
so because I was a sucker for all these like Disney shows and Disney films and whatever. So it was all about like, if you like someone, tell them, like,
Yeah.
And so I was like, I'm gonna do it with style. So we had games period on Thursday, and it was after lunch break. So everyone, no one like generally came back to the classroom. They would just go to the ground directly. I went up to the classroom. I wrote him a letter.
sweet.
Yes.
And I opened his bag, and we had history after that. And I pulled out the history textbook because I know he would need to open it. And I kept it as like a leaflet, like a bookmark in his history textbook. And I kept it on his desk. And I then went back to games period and didn't like see him, didn't talk to him, nothing, of just like, oh, he'll just unceremoniously come up and look at this thing. What happened was they all like sweaty fucks. They came back a little early, and one of his friends found the note.
Oh shit.
And then it became I was like, ooh, I wish you Girl,
What did the
what?
boys say?
They were, first of all, they just laughed. They just laughed. Like, and
Yeah,
also,
me no.
yeah, it was I think it scarred me a little. Not, I wouldn't say for life or whatever, but like it
Yeah.
was a formative experience, right? So, and I was, okay, I was 13 years old. I was 5'6" and double D's. Like I developed early. I'm fucking tall. I'm big. So it was not, and he was a boy, so he was still growing. So he just looked like my son. And I was I was very aware of like the physical space, and it turned into this like TED talk like in my head, and I was like, oh shit, I
But
just
what
wanted
did
to
he
tell
say?
him he couldn't meet my gaze. He couldn't look at me. Like he read it and he just didn't talk to me.
And he had a girlfriend at that point.
And he had a girlfriend. I just wanted,
Oh my
and in the letter
God.
I had said that I'm not trying to, in the letter I was like, I just wanted you to know that I think you're special.
Oh.
What a sweet, and in my head I thought, what a sweet, and oh my God, I came home and I cried.
Yuck.
And I could,
So this guy,
Just wanna-
I'll
this
tell
is
you
why,
from the
this is
guys-
why, this is the formative thing I was talking about. When you tell comedians something true and honest, they have to shit on it.
No, he had a girlfriend, dude. He had a girlfriend.
But I didn't want to date him.
You
I
didn't want to
just
date him.
wanted
I'm
to be
sure,
like,
I'm sure you didn't want to date him.
but she was so hot. I was just annoyed. She was so hot.
Yeah,
She was
like imagine
hottest.
if you were dating someone and some
Mhm.
girl came and gave this letter to your boyfriend. Are you supposed to be chill with it? Ki, "Hi, you're special. I like you."
You would make fun of that girl for
I
sure.
would.
Yeah. I know you
I've
so
just the thing
well.
is, I've never thought about it like.
Yeah.
Because I've only thought about it like with people pointing and laughing at me. That's my only perspective of the story. But fine, Aishwarya, you don't have to like be
Yeah, because
right
I'm
about
just
everything.
like, if that bitch were to come and give my boyfriend a letter and be like, "Oh, you're special," can't maar deti main. You better not meet her gaze. You look down. Fucking
and
double
then
Ds all.
they broke up for a while, and then they started like, it was just on. They were the it couple of our school.
Ah.
They were just like on and off and on and off, and yeah, it was. I decided अब कोई नहीं अब जाओ अब सब मान जाओ मेरे को ये चाहिए ही नहीं, this like scrutiny. And I almost like I remember that experience turning me more into a tomboy, like because I was already big, right? Like, so I have a deep voice, it was all already there. I just, after this experience I was like, अब गोरलीगिरी बंद, अब मैं करेज नहीं, अब मैं तेरे को ब्रो चाहिए ना, अब मैं ब्रो बनेगी. And well into my late teens I was just like, I'm not gonna be this person
Because of this experience.
because I was so humiliated. I was just like, yeah, I'm a very sensitive fuck.
I have a letter story also. I
Tell
have
me.
2 letter stories.
First, but
One-
is it the first crush
The
one?
first
First,
crush,
tell me
the first crush ever I had was in 5th standard. Okay, and she was beautiful, fair, and like really like rosy cheeks and all. She's her name was.
Cool, I guess I'm not beautiful then.
See, I just wanted to comment on that because we were.
Ruben.
No, but I was in 5th standard, Baba.
but you're not now. Now you don't have to
Say
say
fair, yeah.
fair and
no, but
pink
no, but
cheeks.
at that age, I thought.
At that age.
At that age,
Now
I
you
thought.
should know.
I was just going to be like, what
It's
is this
me-
casual colorism that's happening like on this podcast?
Yeah, I mean, if there were two fair people, I can understand. I'm sitting right next to you.
I'm not saying anything to you, na, Baba. I'm just saying she was.
She was so beautiful.
Awkward.
Okay, cool, guys.
Okay,
I did-
so she
why-
was. We are going to replace fair with plump cheeks. She
Yeah.
had like plump, cute little cheeks, and you were saying
rosy cheeks.
rosy cheeks, yeah.
Gulu
gulu gal.
And dude, I fell for her, dude. And now her name was Rubina. And I'm Ruben. So I was like, Arey, it's the same name only almost. so I had to tell her. And वो ऐसा funny feelings first time हो रहा था heart में. So I wrote a letter and she was, the school had just finished. So
Okay.
line mein we have to go down the stairs
Okay.
home, no?
Yeah.
So she was in the front of the line because girls pehle. So she was towards the end because she was tall. So
Yeah.
I ran, said, Rubina, this is for you. I found in your desk. And she took it and then I ran back.
You didn't even wait that to like.
No. I
say
ran back.
me neither, yeah.
And now she read it and she started crying. And she gave it to the teacher.
Why did she start crying?
She started crying because she got afraid. Maybe, I don't know, कि ये लड़का पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है. Dude, the letter
Yeah, I
just
can
said,
understand.
I think you're...
Aishwarya being one of the pretty ones, she's going like, I can understand how that might happen.
No, not
Like,
like
she's
that.
giving
But she
different
was-
perspective
she was
to this
in fifth
podcast.
standard. She didn't understand maybe all this. I
Yeah,
don't know.
that's what.
That is
Like
also
someone
fair.
coming giving you a letter and just being like, maybe it could be like thoda scary for her.
Yeah, I said, hey, you're really pretty and I love you. I
See, I didn't say I love you. I didn't say I love you and shit.
said I
Okay,
love you.
Buddy,
okay here
did
it goes.
Rubina have a boyfriend?
No.
Aishwarya is just like gone. She's like, what are you doing, bitch? Like,
Yeah, I completely judge you for what you
oh
did.
my
but-
god, God,
yeah.
it's 12
You
years
can't do
old.
that.
Fuck off.
So she informed the teacher. The teacher called my mom. Mom came. Yeah.
No
My mom
way.
came and she sat me down like, ये age है क्या तुम 5th standard में हो पढ़ाई करो पहले ये वो. And after that I've never had the courage to, but I did later on when
Courage to what?
puberty- to tell women
That you
what I
like,
feel.
okay.
Yeah. But 10th standard में there was another girl called Ankita.
Okay.
I won't say her last name. And
Yeah.
How many
we were in school.
Ankitas are there in your
बहुत है ना
life?
यार. तो
No, I mean like podcast ke liye. Like I
But-
think he meant
But
because
I'm
I-
sure
she's
his
going
friends
on.
would know na
she-
now.
that's why she
Which I didn't
she
say
was a massive tomboy and I totally fell for it. And she liked the men who smoked, so I started smoking for her. And yeah.
Ankita,
Twisted.
you bitch. Fucking
And
spreading cancer since
Again.
2000.
I wrote a letter for her.
2000 question mark. Sorry, we
Yeah.
don't know how old
Yeah, I
Ruben
don't
is.
know how old Ruben is.
So this is 16. I was
No,
16.
I know, but like 2000, we didn't know which year.
2003, 4.
Oh no,
4.
Ruben is so old.
2004.
Ah.
Yeah.
So old.
Okay, guys, cool.
You're 6 years older to me.
Yeah, maybe.
How old are you?
31.
Fucking old. No, he's 4 years older.
Woo!
Yeah,
wow,
so-
this has turned into Ruben is old now.
Yeah, it's every podcast. But so I wrote this very colorful 3-page letter,
Okay.
handwritten with
Okay.
like colorful drawings and shit. And she's a tomboy, and why would I give her? I have no idea why I did that. And it was chart paper से बनाया था मैंने, और फिर वो उसको जाके दिया, and I ran away again.
And then?
And then I went to eat Frankie, and she came to the Frankie place, and I was not looking at her only. And then she came and she spoke to me. She's like, next
That's
time,
nice.
she said, next time you give this to someone, don't run away. Just tell them how you feel like.
What a
Aw.
sweet girl.
Yeah, she was very sweet. She told me that no, I'm sorry, but I think of you as a good friend. Let's chill as friends.
Yeah.
Is that okay? I'm like, yeah, chalega, wo bhi chalega. Kuch to bhi chalega.
Okay, so you were 10th standard was the first time, 5th standard was the
Fifth
first
standard
time,
was the
yeah.
first time.
For you, it was 13. So, like 8th standard?
No, so I started liking him since 6th standard. So I was
Whoa,
11.
history.
11. So because my friends already had crushes by 7th
Yeah.
standard, so I felt very pressured into having a crush. And I never felt that way. And suddenly it was like, oh my God, I like this one.
Yeah.
Okay, but now, wait, first, are you single right now, Ruben?
Totally.
I'm sorry, I only said that.
Zyada.
I know this. I only said that for the benefit of the
Bahut zyada.
podcast. Aishwarya, are you single currently?
Heavily single. Bhari single. Too single.
And Aishwarya, do you prefer to be in a relationship or do you like being single?
I to really want to be in a relationship, yeah. I'm tired. I've joined Shaadi.com also. I want to get married. Fuck all this relationship rubbish. Bahut ho gaya. I want to get married. Be in a stable fucking relationship. Come back home to a husband. Who's a CA banker. who's earning money, and I'm the one who's just like open mind.
Whose name is Purohit for some reason.
No, not Purohit.
She- no.
Just nice.
Vivek.
Vivek. Ooh, Vivek is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I want like an Ayan or an Arjun.
Oh,
Oh,
so
eh.
she.
Is she that?
No, but she's also going for you know how
Yeah,
Bollywood
Hunky
movies
Yeah,
have
yeah,
North
yeah.
Indian names.
Yeah.
For every this thing, for every actor, that's what this is.
Yeah, but no, I'm okay with any name, to be honest. I've joined these. I've literally. I'm putting it out in the universe. I don't even ask for relationships anymore. I'm just like, मेरे को पति चाहिए अभी. बहुत हो गया. I'm 25, by 28 I want to be married.
You really want to
I
be.
really want to be married.
How old
Okay.
are you again? 20?
5.
Have you always wanted to be married?
Yeah, I've always wanted. The thing is, I don't know if I can do marriage. Today only I have my therapist appointment where I'm discussing how I get bored of every relationship.
Fair.
So
Fair. Accurate. Also
Yeah.
very accurate, I think, for me as well.
yeah, so how I get bored of every relationship. But she's saying, don't worry, we'll fix it. Okay.
We'll fix it.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, she's doing her work on the side. I should start looking for husbands. Because it's not easy to get them, dude, especially when you're a comic.
Yeah.
You know how difficult it is to have. I'm on Shaadi.com. I am attractive. I'm aware about it. Not
Yeah.
like painfully gorgeous or something.
Yeah, but
just
beautiful, yeah.
basic. Okay, if you see me, I have like some really nice photos. Okay, some really nice photos. Maybe if you see me in person, you're just like, but fuck photos. Okay, I've put them up. I have a nice bio also.
Yeah.
Very chill bio. Funny
Yeah.
also I've become on Shaadi.com. Probably
You're
the only girl who's funny on
funny on
Shaadi.com.
Shaadi.com. Accurate.
Oh my god. Why is it so difficult for me to get a boy? But it is so difficult. You know how all these peons and all are fucking sending me.
So I was in Bangalore for a couple of shows, and I met this girl called Monica. We became Instagram friends. She's an illustrator and a graphic artist.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah,
met her.
Doodle Drama.
Yeah.
And I met her in Bangalore. We'd never met. We'd just spoken on Instagram. And I was like, you and your husband and your dogs. Oh my God, this adorable like life goals. Like she posts about,
Yeah.
you know, how like her husband will do these like little sweet things for her and like write it in notes or whatever. Just like they have such a cute
What a
relationship.
pussy.
That's why Ruben is single. You heard it here first. Okay.
No. I'm just trying to be funny, but
bullshitting.
I've also done a lot of
Cutesy
gesturous
shit.
things. Yeah.
No, so I asked her. I was like, wait, so how did you guys meet? And she said Telugu Shadi.com.
Yeah. Yeah, I've gone out there. I'm telling you, I am looking for a relationship. I meet boys with the, you know how you tell them that you want to get married and they're like,
Yeah.
oh, kitni funny hai. Huh? Tinder पे marriage की बातें कर रही है. Huh? They don't know I am serious as fuck.
Yeah.
I'm not looking to just like hook up or anything. I really just want to get married. Like not now, definitely not now. I need to like
But like by
settle.
28, that's the plan.
Yeah, dude.
I always thought of myself as one of those people when I was younger because I saw my mom and like she would run the household with like kept it such a happy household. I was like, मैं भी शादी करूंगी और मेरे भी बच्चे होंगे. Like it was, but that kind of changed at 16. At 16, there was like a drastic this thing of like, I don't want to be with anyone. I'd rather work and I'd rather like build something. And then if I want to fall in, like if I fall in love and then, you know, marry that person, sure. But मेरे से अब होता ही नहीं है. Like I've also, okay, great question. Have you been in love ever, Ruben?
Yeah.
Like intensely?
Yeah, intensely.
How long
And
was that relationship?
That was for 2 years.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
And when
And
did
it
you
ended
break up?
very badly. Have I told you this story?
No.
No. I think I have told you this story. No. So
Which
I
one
was
is
a
it?
so basically I was a bartender and she was staying in the same hotel. And we made friends because she used to come to the bar, and so I asked her out, and it happened like she said yes. I was like, what the fuck? इसके आगे क्या करना है? But yeah, so we ended up dating for 2 years, and shit got thoda serious. Like I met her parents, she met my parents, and
That's awesome.
our parents met, and I was like, हो गया ना अब तो हो गया,
तो हो
अभी प्रमोशन लूंगा फटाफट, है ना,
और-
और सीधा शादी के लिए प्रपोज कर दूंगा. कोट जैसे आ जाएगा मैनेजर का कोट, सीधा रिंग भी खरीद लेंगे उसी के साथ, है ना. And I proposed to her.
Yeah.
And what happened is 2 years later, in that relationship, I found out that she was cheating on me, and
Oh, no.
all the while throughout
The whole
the whole
time?
time. And she was friends with me only because she got free drinks at the bar.
Oh, wow.
How?
Oh man,
Yeah.
that's brutal, dude. For 2 years.
Yeah. And
You're a good bartender. I must say.
I was like, am I allowed to joke about this? Because
yeah,
the-
I was a good bartender.
what a
yeah.
long con. Like,
I'm
what
like,
a
wow.
long con. The dedication of this girl.
And my idiot friends were like, "पर sex तो मिल गया ना?" I'm like, "अरे पर that's not."
Oh, so she used to have sex with you.
Of course, yeah, we did.
So, no,
Okay,
like, there
no,
was
I
enough.
thought she was just like,
No, no.
But she was
Using
having sex
you.
with everyone. That
Oh,
any
wow.
guy she could find, she was having sex
I don't
with
want
them.
to. No, I'd like. She can.
Yeah,
like,
she can.
Please
I'm
have
not
sex
saying-
with whoever you want. It's fine.
But not in a
Just-
relationship.
Yeah, don't.
When you're saying we are in a
relationship, don't do it.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
or
That's-
just be like, "Hey,
That's
let's
fair.
have sex. Give me free drinks." I'll be like, "Cool." That's also fair barter. Because she was hot.
Oh my
I mean,
god. I have not. I've never been in love. Have you been in love, Aishwarya?
yeah.
Intensely.
Sorry, I was drinking water.
That's okay.
Yeah, I have been in love. I have been in love in every relationship that I've been in.
And how many relationships have you been in?
5.
Which is
Wow.
quite a lot for 25. Like, I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
Like,
I
so
started when I was
dedicated.
13, no? When I was 13 also, I was madly in love with this boy. I really thought I would get married and all. But for that concept of love, what do you know? The thing is, like, if you want to say intensely in love, it would be 3. Fair, 3. 3 relationships where I've just been like,
Shadi se karungi.
yeah. Yeah.
And do you find it easy to like say I love you to someone?
I think there comes a moment when you say it,
Mm-hmm.
the first time when you say it, and it's really special, but then it's fine. Then you end every conversation with an I love you.
Have you ever said I love you to someone who didn't say it back to you?
Nope.
Ashwar is too cool for this. Have you
So
ever
I-
said, like, I don't mean like child version. I just mean like genuinely, have you ever said I love you to someone and have them not say it back to you?
Well, the same girl, the first time I said it, she didn't say anything back. But then she texted me 2 days later saying, "Oh, I love you too." I'm like, "ठीक है then, cool, I
It
got
was
it."
almost like this calculation of like,
हाँ,
or
maybe.
drinks kitne chahiye.
Yeah. But also, like, my idea of love changed recently because I like around a few years back, because I grew up with this idea of love ही तो होता है और क्या होता है. There's no like or infatuation or whatever. For
No,
me,
no,
I
no,
thought,
yeah.
yeah, I didn't know all of this.
Okay.
So I was on a date in Dubai, and
Oh my God.
so she was obviously not from India, and so my first date, it was going well. I dropped her home, and I was like, "Hey, yeah, I love you."
Ruben!
Yeah, I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know, and she freaked out, dude.
Psycho.
And
How
of
old were
course-
you?
I was 26.
Oh wow.
That
Because we
So-
feel that it's very obvious that ऐसे तो जाके पूछ नहीं सकते, excuse me, love करना है. I feel like that's self-explanatory कि ये तो करना ही नहीं है ना हमें.
ये तो, हाँ.
I didn't know all this, so I used to do that.
Just fucking
Of
it.
course.
I've never been in love, so I've never actually said it my first boyfriend when I was 18 years old said it to me, and then we broke up.
And you
And
didn't
Because
say
he
it
said,
back?
I love you, you broke up.
I freaked out. I didn't say it back. And then the way we broke up also, my friend, I was really close friends with this guy, and we were all drinking, and he looked at my first boyfriend. He looked at me and he was like, guys, this is clearly not working. Y'all are not on the same page. You might as well break up. So like someone else broke up for me. Like I didn't have, like,
Wow.
it was very, yeah, I've had the worst possible stories, and like I've also behaved like such an idiot. I don't know how to handle feelings. First of all, I don't think that, oh, why will anyone like me? There are so many better options. That's like number one. And second, if someone does, like someone said that to me, and all of that, every time that I had told someone, na, ki, oh, I like you, and maybe they didn't feel that way, I would get into this, oh my God, like whatever, screw that guy, screw whatever, I don't want to do this. And the first time someone said it to me and I didn't like that person back, I was like, oh, I get it now. You can't make it happen. Like, you can't make someone like you if they don't. Like, it's got nothing to do with how you look, how you be. It's just, if it's not there, it's not there. And I was like, everything makes so much more sense now. But I hate, like, I hate that I have to say no to people. Like, I'm shit at saying no. So I've just not had a dedicated relationship. I've hoed around for 10 years. That I can do. Like, that I almost know how to do. But like this genuine, like,
मेरे को भी कर रहा है हो around यार. Go ahead, मैं नहीं कर रहा.
No, but Aishwarya, like, this
मुझे भी
is,
उसको
you've
पढ़ना
had
था,
access. Chup rahe yaar, Ruben. I'm saying you've had access to, like, you've had that return to you. So now it's a matter of preference for you. Ki, do I want to hoe around or do I want to be in a relationship? I feel like with...
You also had the
No,
option of
I-
being in a relationship.
I completely... I'm saying with Ruben, when he says I want to slut around, the option is not...
Oh, that is true.
Yeah, it's not with me. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
option is that...
Please, yeah, Ruben. Are you telling me you've not hoed around?
Yeah, I'm not.
What a liar, Ruben.
I'm not.
Ruben,
I
I've
was in
seen
a
some of the
relationship
women.
if that's
I've
what you
seen...
are insinuating.
All your life, you've only been in a relationship. You've not hooked up
No,
with people.
No.
Ruben is lying.
Oh, actually, yeah.
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 Ruben
Yeah,
is
yeah.
lying. Like, we know
But
he's
again,
lying. It's just-
but again, the problem was I hooked up because I was expecting to be in a relationship.
You were expecting to be...
Yeah, कि
Okay.
इसके बाद क्या इसके बाद तो फिर हाँ तो फिर मम्मी को बुला दो because I thought sex तो भी करते हैं ना.
So you've never. How many times did you hook up with that girl?
Which girl? How?
I mean,
With-
talking
with
about
the
this
one-
girl,
the
like
one
whoever
with-
you're talking about right now.
Yeah,
How many times did you hook up with her?
once.
Once only, no? You
Once,
hooked up.
but we were still like chatting and texting, and it was not like a one night thingy. It was like a 3-month long distance. Firstly, it was every day talking on the phone, and it was basically being in a relationship.
Oh, then that's
Then
not
I
a
went-
hook.
That's not
met
a
her.
hookup.
Then I met. Wait, I went for her birthday, stayed back for a few days, hooked up there, and then I told her, "To abhi
Oh
kya
my
scene?"
god, you went somewhere to meet this person
Yeah,
for their birthday.
he does
This
that.
is not hookup.
Of course, no. So wait. So I told her, "To abhi."
I'm waiting for this to turn into a hookup, and
It's
next
not a-
thing he's saying, now we're married also to children.
अरे
Also we are.
no, तो I told her कि hey तो अभी क्या करना है? Because I really like whatever is happening. I don't mind moving to this city, and that's when she was like,
What is...
Yeah.
Okay, if you are prepared to move somewhere for someone, it's not a hookup. It's a hookup is you meet someone and you
Hook up.
like them.
You hook up and you leave.
You leave. That
हाँ,
is...
तो
yeah.
that was in her idea, in her head कि ये आएगा अभी होएगा और ये जाएगा वापस. फिर मैं बोला मैं वापस आऊँ क्या इधर ही रहो क्या? She's like नहीं.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ruben, you need to start going on like these
Yeah, this was not a hookup. huh?
Tinder Bumble dates. You need to start swiping and do this zone of like Tinder Bumble where you go, you meet, you pretend to have interesting conversation and drinks because you're trying to convince yourself it's okay to sleep with someone, and then you sleep with them and then you never speak again. That's what a hookup is. Ruben told me in the break that he enjoys the chase. Aishwarya, do you enjoy the chase?
I hate the chase. I'm done with the chase. I don't want any chasing, nothing. I hate it. I'm
But Aishwarya, what is it like? You've decided कि तेरे को मतलब like शादी में ऐसा क्या रखा है कि तेरे को like
no
वही
fuck
चाहिए
shadi, dude. I'm just tired of this whole power dynamics. You know, when
between
you're
two people.
between
Yeah.
two people that okay, you met on a dating app. Now you're waiting. Should I message first? Should he message first? Then he messages. How long should I wait before I reply back? And all that crap. I'm done with that. I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to get to the point where we're like, you know what? I like you. You like me. Let's meet.
So then do you sometimes, because I think sometimes कि our parents maybe got away with a good, like I don't mind it. अगर मेरे को ऐसे आगे कोई बोलेगा ना कि okay now you have to do this and love this person, I'll be like honestly at this stage I was like that doesn't sound like a bad idea. Like I don't wanna. She's right. I don't wanna do this. Like what does it mean if I text this? What does it mean if I text that? Does it mean something that I texted but 3 times in a row? Does it mean, because earlier when we were talking about like off recording, Aishwarya like said, she's like, oh, I was the one who made plans
Yeah,
thrice.
for the past 1 week,
Yeah.
I have been the one who's texting this guy every night saying, hey, do you want to meet?
Yeah.
How many times, yeah? Yesterday
Then
night
the guy is the problem. It's not you. Then find a better
No, that's
guy.
what. But that's what she's trying to say is that I asked her कि क्यों करना है तेरे को ये like one
हाँ.
person. So
No, like, I'm just like, I don't mind making a plan. But like, it's been a week where I've just been like, hey, do you want to meet? And he says yes.
But is this just one guy or multiple guys? This has happened with you.
Oh, okay. I was like, रोज broadcast message जा रहा है मेरा 10 लड़कों को कि do you want to meet? No, next person. No, no. This.
I do that.
I do that sometimes.
that.
I do. You know when I do that when I've had a little to drink and I'm smoking up also and I'm feeling all kinds of like, oh my god, I feel myself. Like I will text 4 boys and just like talk to them.
Yeah,
and be
I
like,
did that. I once messaged 4 boys.
And then what happened?
None of them replied. None of them.
But the reason I
I
text
went
4
home and I
is-
slept.
So I sometimes wake up in the morning and go, चल आज ऐसा date पे आने का मन कर रहा है. So so I have these 3-4 matches on Bumble or whatever that we are constantly in touch. So I just would be like, hey, are you free today? They're like, no. Okay, next. Are you free today? Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Let's meet.
Hey.
Sham ko? Yeah. Okay. Great.
Cool. And then what do you do at the date? Is there any hooking up or no?
No.
It's a very pleasant.
Yeah, it's a fun date, dude.
He eats bread basket and comes
No, dude.
He's having a date with the bread basket.
What is
Aishwarya,
this chase thing that you were talking about?
before she answers that, Aishwarya is being damn savage, huh, today? Like, just to everybody.
I'm
like,
just
she's
in a
just being
very... Guys, I just want to tell you, I'm not in a great mood right now. So I'm just constantly being like, fuck everyone. Fuck this world.
No, Aishwarya is
boys.
lovely. She's the loveliest person.
What problem
I
do
would
I
not
have
agree
with
to that.
See, I can't even say nice things. No, the chase I was talking about was I get a kick out of this, like, are we gonna do this? Are we
Yeah.
not gonna do this? Like, we're just flirting. What are you saying? Stop. Like, it's a very, I get a rise out of just saying flirty things to boys.
You chasing him or he chasing you?
Both. Like,
Yeah.
you know that it's tension. It's like, it's.
I like the tension.
It's
I'm all for the
great.
tension. But I just... You know what I mean? When the tension just becomes tension and doesn't build up to anything.
Okay,
Yeah,
which
this-
is a great segue. Aishwarya, tell your story about the tension.
Which one?
The one we were talking about, you texted me on Instagram and you're like, bro, मैं इसको text कर रही हूँ, कुछ
Oh,
नहीं
yeah,
कर
that
रहा है.
one.
Like,
Okay, so there's this one boy, okay? We have built tension since April. Since April, we have built only tension. So much tension. And every time, okay, I've not met this guy yet. Okay, we've
it's only been textual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's only been textual.
Textual.
Very sporadic, okay? So I was just like, you know, let's meet.
Yeah.
He said, yeah, of course, let's meet.
Yeah.
Let's meet over the weekend.
Okay.
So I was like, yeah. I'm meeting him on the weekend. messaging, I'm sending screenshot on my group and all,
Yeah.
I'm meeting this boy, I'm finally meeting my friends also. Oh, fuck, thank God. I've spent so much money in therapy over this boy, by the way.
Oh, really?
4 sessions I've spent on him. 4 sessions. Anyway.
Which is not worth it. Equals to not
Of
worth
course.
it.
Anyway, so this boy, I say, okay, let's meet over the weekend. He
Okay.
says, yeah. He says, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Friday, now it's Friday.
Fair.
I'm like, आएगा उसका मैसेज कि कल मिलना है, हाँ, प्लान करना है.
Huh.
Friday को no message. Okay, Saturday, then I come, Saturday morning, then, I'm calling Sana and I'm like, not message. And she's like, then you message him, okay? Now it doesn't matter who messages first, yeah, if you feel that you need to meet, okay, and you need to make a plan, then just go ahead and message. So I messaged.
And then what did he say?
He didn't reply only.
What? Oh,
So wait, all this tension and you still haven't met him.
Oh no. So I've not met him. We had this tension. I didn't meet. No. So and then this guy replies after like 5 days. After 5 days saying, oh shit. I got really busy with work. La la la. And that should be my cue to be like, okay buddy, chalo fuck off. What do I do?
Huh.
I do another textual conversation. Yeah, ठीक है, busy होगा. And this has happened 4 times. 4 times he has ditched me. 4 times.
So what we've learned is Aishwarya is a glutton for punishment. Like she's like एक बार ही enough नहीं था तो मेरे को और 2 बार.
My therapist is so disappointed in me, So disappointed. Today also I'm meeting her. This is how she opens her conversation. So did you text him? I'm sorry.
Do you like being chased or do the chasing?
I too like being chased. This boy is not giving me the opportunity only.
To be chased only.
Just what a boy, yeah. I'm very...
Now she's in awe of this boy.
I'm so
ये क्या लड़का है यार ये?
I'm so proper in awe, yaar. How this guy has me over his little finger like this. He has me, yaar. He has me. I'm just always... He messages me, dude, there are butterflies in my stomach. Okay, for 1 hour, I'll just keep staring at the notifications. Ki, yeah, लॉन्डे ने मैसेज करा है उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके ग्रुप पे भेजोगी saying guys please reprimand me tomorrow for Ann to reply.
Also we started bonding over the fact that वो texting कितना फकौल होता है ना कि hey baby you woke up or what, baby what you had for lunch and all that.
I can't do that. See,
Yeah,
part of
even
the reason I don't want to do relationships is because I can't do that. I don't know how. If someone asks me, oh, did you have a good day? I'm like, what am I? Yes, like done. Now what are you gonna do with this information? Like I don't like khana khaya. Like me eating my food somewhere else. How it affects your life, I don't understand.
Yeah.
So like I
This is
don't.
bullshit.
I don't know how to. We've texted. Do you think like I'm equipped to do small talk?
I feel like when you're in a relationship, at least when I was in a relationship, I didn't have any issues telling him that I had rajma chawal for lunch. What's the big deal?
I mean
It's small talk. It doesn't go anywhere.
yeah. it's
What? So
not-
every conversation you have is this is so non-meaningful right now, this podcast. This is small talk only, dude.
No, so I'll tell you the last.
She's my friend. She likes me. She is my friend.
I'm
and
just
she
saying,
likes
what
me.
is the big deal in saying I had rajma chawal for lunch?
Yeah, it's not a big deal. पर रोज और दिन में 3 बार बोर नहीं होगा आदमी कि क्या पूछ रही है यार? Just ask me something better.
Like what? What do you think about life and your
just
philosophy?
have a better
You've never
conversation,
had
no.
like epic text conversations or what? Like when you're actually
But
discussing
that
something.
can't
or
be
talking.
every day, no? When you're in a relationship, it can't be every day having meaningful, wow, what a conversation. It'll be...
But then my point is, even when you're getting to know people on Bumble or when you're getting to know,
Yeah.
it's so small. It's boring and like it's the same template for every person you're
yeah,
talking
Bumble,
to.
I understand being the same template because you're getting to know each other. So it's the same thing. Hey, I'm a comic. Yes, I did this.
Like this
la,
has
la,
been
la, la,
this
la.
has been cited as a reason when I've had a conversation with someone, one of the girls I was seeing, like I was very excited because this was like my proper first like dating a girl in India. Like I'd not dated a girl here before, and I was just so excited like to be in this because I thought she was damn cool. Okay, and she's like, no, you seem kind of distant. Like you don't text a lot. You don't like. I text you like a couple of, and I was like, yeah, but you said good morning, like it, and she's like, yeah, but I was hoping that, and I was like, I'm so sorry,
How
I
else
didn't
to
even
start a
read.
conversation?
Like,
I feel like sometimes we have way too many high expectations from people. Like everything needs to be interesting. You know how boring we are as people to other
Yeah. No, I'm not saying so what I want is let's talk once in a day. You know, it doesn't have to be all whole
I just
day.
think I just think that
Just
it comes
let's
with this
talk at
heavy
night.
expectation of like रोज बात करना है और
हाँ,
इतना बात
and you don't
करना
even
है
have to
और
talk every day actually
No, I feel like
in a
you.
relationship.
No, you
Do you?
should. No, because I have been in a relationship where I've spoken every day, and I've been in a relationship where I haven't spoken. It starts with, it's okay if we don't speak every day. Then it becomes a week. Then it becomes 2 weeks. Then it's okay if you
Mm.
go ahead speaking for without 3 months. And then you're just like, wow, where did this relationship go?
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, like,
Are we in a relationship or not?
yeah,
even?
so
like
talking every day doesn't mean ki having like detailed conversation, but just listening to each other's voice and knowing ki okay, you're there, you exist.
I just it's blatantly obvious to me like that I need to do smart talk, and I will take this criticism from Aishwarya and apply
Please
it
do.
in.
Please do.
And we have all
Guys,
learned
I'm putting
something.
it out there. I'm open to small talk. I'm open to relationships. I'm open to being a bahu also. So please.
Now she's turned this into, if anyone's out there listening and you are a human male, please
No,
let me know.
I mean, I have my own preferences also. I mean,
What are
you
your
can have-
preferences?
Yeah, very basic preferences I have.
Yeah,
Very basic.
What are the basic preferences?
And I need a guy.
Human male,
Yeah, he
age.
between 26 to 30.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
26 to, because I'm 25.
Hmm.
So I feel like younger boys are idiots.
true.
So 26
Accurate.
to 30.
Huh.
Looks, I don't care. I legit don't care. If you see the guys I've dated, I don't care. My dad has questioned my beliefs.
Taste in
my
men.
taste in men. When
Okay.
I told him I'm dating these people, and he's like, yuck.
So just average looking human male between the ages of 26
6
and 30.
and I don't want a comic or an artist. I want a CA banker,
Uh,
lawyer, doctor.
Okay, so if anybody is listening, and mostly I think it's going to be the women in my list, if you have brothers, please.
Please do. Brothers, best friend, boyfriend, if you want to break up, just
ex-husband,
give him to me.
current
Yeah.
husband also.
This is the recap. This is who Aishwarya, ladies and gentlemen, listen up. This is who Aishwarya is looking for.
I want a 26 to 30-year-old man who is a CA banker, lawyer, doctor, anything which is not
Artist or comedian.
artist or comedian. Bombay. You should be in
Sound
Bombay.
engineer chalega, but you cannot play an instrument yourself.
No, I think I'm okay with that also. I just don't want a comic, basically.
Just non-comic.
Non-comic. I would need someone from Bombay because I can't move. So if you're from Bombay, that'll be best. Then I want to get married. So if you're not open to marriage, then I don't want to sit and have this discussion with you where you try to change my mind and I try to change your mind. So if you think that I don't want to get married immediately, so maybe around 28, 29 is when I'm looking at getting married. So I would like to date you for 3 years before I get married.
Yeah.
And caste no bar.
Cast no out. I was just going to
Caste
be like,
no bar, religion no bar. It's totally cool. My parents are quite chill, touch wood. We will definitely have sex before getting married because if you're not compatible sexually, it doesn't make sense.
yeah.
Yeah,
This is so. Yeah, get in touch. DM me. Don't DM
please
her.
don't just DM for the sex part of it, okay? Now.
Yeah.
कि
No, you
वो
can
sex तो
legit
कर
get a lot
लेंगे,
of-
हाँ.
DM me. Send in your applications and the
Aishwarya,
most.
you only said ना sex करने का तो फिर ले dick pic.
Oh God, I don't even want to get into the whole. It's exhausting. Ruben, what are you looking for?
Age-wise, 26 above anything is fine. Like,
Yeah, because Ruben
mean,
is 31.
Because
I'm 31. So
I respect that you've gone 26 and not like lower than that. So
20.
that's I
no.
appreciate it about you. So you can be
I
you
have
can be,
dated 22-year-old just 6 months ago.
but that's still
But
like.
so I was like, nahi.
Was there too much discrepancy in what she liked and what you
Yeah,
liked?
she wanted to go like
Well, she
clubbing,
wanted
like
to ask you
"Woo!"
about lunch and all over. You did not talk to her about
No, she was not that, but she wanted to go like clubbing.
You know what I
and
feel like, this shade that is
festivals.
coming from her. No, she's only talked to like these cool people who say also cool things.
Yeah.
I think that she should really like talk to some of the bozos that I've been talking to, and
But
who
you
just
didn't hear the
so,
two
like,
stories I told you before we started this
No,
podcast. or what?
but no,
Good
I'm saying like,
Aishwarya.
Okay, so
hey,
one boy-
I'm saying hey, like hi,
much
sup.
temper,
Like
Aishwarya.
Guys, today I'm very annoyed, yeah, guys. I have zero patience with people right now. I told these people before we started the podcast, I recently met a boy, okay, who texted me yesterday saying, hey, will you give me 2 passes for NH7 Weekender? I've met this boy twice. And look at the audacity, dude. And I'm like, are you really asking me for 2 passes for NH7? I reiterated it so that he can be like, yaar, mazak kar raha ho, yaar. Joke. This boy is just like, yeah, why you won't give me passes? Give no passes. I don't want. So I was like, I'll give my friends, no, if I have to. I won't give some random bumble boy.
Yeah.
Eh, how you call me random bumble boy? What to call you then? What to call you, dude? Oh,
So
my
what we have learned today is that please, it's okay to text small talk is lesson number 1. Lesson number 2 is better boys need to start texting Aishwarya like today, so that she's just less irritated in life. And Aishwarya's therapist sucks. That's
What?
we-
No, she's very nice. I love you, Laura.
No,
She doesn't listen to all this.
Laura,
real shit.
yeah, Laura has like actual lives to save, so I don't think Laura is
Yeah.
sitting listening to.
She's too sorted.
Do you think?
but- And it was the most boring. Like, I met him for drinks, and there were like these pockets of 10 minutes where no one said anything, and we were just listening. We were at Den. We were just listening to the fucking music in Den. And just like shuffling around and looking, and then I came back home. I came back to Pune, and he called me, and he's like, "So that was kind of awkward," and I was like, it was a little awkward. And then it kind of broke the ice, and we started kind of seeing each other more and more. And then I just I was having an anxiety attack, and I was having a terrible day. And he was like, "Listen, all you need is just some ginger lemon tea and a good Netflix show." And I was like, I don't think this is going to work out. And then we had nothing to say to each other. We just would talk about Netflix all the time. Like, that was the only, and then that ended very quickly. And then that's my current status.
Just
of-
pass on the number
Yeah,
to her.
I'll do it. I'll talk about Netflix full day. I'll drink ginger lemon tea. I'll do it. You just give me. Oh my god. Where are these boys who are ready to talk to you about whatever fucking bullshit?
You know what? This has been slightly illuminating to me, is because everything I've thought as negatives, Aishwarya has just gone and like flipped the
Flipped
script.
into positive, yeah.
They're like, इसमें problem क्या है? तेरे को तो मेरे लिए तो क्या कर रही है? Like, it's been very like, अरे, what is this? इसमें problem क्या
इतना
है?
प्यारा लड़का मिला, तू शांत नहीं बैठ सकती 10 मिनट?
Like,
Like
everything.
this guy is at least telling you, ki, okay, watch Netflix, drink ginger lemon tea, okay? Because I mean, even if a guy were to tell me, I wouldn't know what to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I feel like that as comics, we are probably more aware because we keep talking about things, so we might know exactly what to say at that
Yeah.
point. But other people don't, which I give them the benefit
Yeah.
of doubt at that point.
Yeah.
I recently met a boy, okay? I was menstrual. I got full, dude, I'm coming from a shoot from Uttan. I've traveled, I've come, I'm going to meet him at 10 in the night. I went to Shoppers Stop to buy a new top. I went and got my hair washed at 9:30 in the night because, like, you know,
I say hot like man.
I went to my friend's house, freshened up, changed my clothes. Menstrual, second day, I've reached over there. And he's like, so what do you want to do? I said, like, whatever. So he's like, no, you tell, no, decide what you want to do. I said, I'm hungry. He's like, okay, Mexican, Japanese, what? And I was like, I don't know. He's like, oh, fuck. Make up your mind, yeah. And I was like, dude, I'm just very tired. I'm menstrual. And he's like, ये menstrual ना ये लड़की लोग का excuse हमेशा सही होता है. When you're menstrual, no? And I was like, dude, how do I tell you मैं इतना effort लेके I've come here, dude. One decision you make, no, which restaurant we should go to.
This
Dude, so much benefit of doubt I give. I went out with him also. I was like, that is also correct. You did. So he's like, you want to go to Birdsong Cafe? Yes. Birdsong Cafe, we'll go. We went over there. Itna irritate kiya, dude. He was just like, relationships, those suck, yaar. I don't know why people cry at the end of relationships. I was like, because it's sad. Why sadness? When it ended, you should be happy. That is also correct.
I hate all these. I just
Why
want
does he
all these
seem
boys
like
to
a
die.
guy from Lokhandwala who's a producer of some
Oh,
shitty show?
Exactly.
No attitude
I'm
is that.
just-
These
And the thing is, I
relationships.
could have left. Right?
Yeah.
I could have left. So many moments I
Yeah.
got ki, hey buddy, this is not working.
Yeah.
Probably. Then I was like, so now what do you want to do?
ऐश्वर्या like नहीं मेरे को शादी करने का है तो like मैं तो मैं सुन के देखेगी
Oh
कि
my
इसको
god.
क्या
And he
बोलना
was like, what do you want to do? I said, you wanted to go to Bandstand. No, let's go
Let's
to
go to
Bandstand. So
Bandstand.
we went to Bandstand also.
how low are the standards like
Yeah,
how low and I was like honestly at this point don't call me fat don't make me cry don't hit me and be nice that's the standard
Dude, I'll tell you something. I was on a date with someone and we ended up at her place and she was drunk and she made a move. I was like, hey, no, you're drunk.
yeah
Let's do this some other time.
yeah
And she was like, I love you. This you didn't make a move on me.
Like,
I was
this is so much
I was just
respect.
being, अरे पर उसमें क्या है? I was just saying because sex खराब होएगा तो but yeah. So standards are pretty low, which I didn't know.
yeah the standards are like listen to her speak like this
Yeah.
whole the past 3
Dude,
hours we've hung
yeah.
out is what it's just been this
And I'm still like, तो फिर भी मैं क्यों सिंगल है? मैं तो ऐसा नहीं करता है.
we will find you but at the end of this month we will try to find you a bride
Yeah.
Ruben has given thumbs up. Okay, we have to wrap it up. If you could do like a elevator pitch for yourself to close it? Okay, if you could do to close the podcast, if you could do an elevator pitch for Aishwarya Mohan Raj, what would the elevator pitch be?
Elevator.
Like that one, like log line, like that log line. What is the log line to Aishwarya Mohan Raj?
कुछ भी चलेगा. Just don't hit me.
Kuch bhi, golden words, ladies and gentlemen. Kuch bhi chalega, please don't hit me. Is no, don't. Song is nice, don't hit. Okay. Ruben, what is the log line to Ruben Kaduskar?
Okay. I love conversations and food.
Okay, that's okay. That's all right.
What's the log line to Ayushi?
Help. It's just one H-E-E-E and like it's a high pitched cry for help. That's the elevator
She's
pitch.
asking for help. I'm saying
Kuch bhi.
Okay, I don't want anything. तुम बस
You
आ
want
जाओ.
everything.
She's like मैं पैसा भी बना लेती हूँ सब कर लेती हूँ तू बस आके आ जा. And then we will see.
No, I want CA banker type.
CA bank. Or even he needs to be.
I'm very. I
Where
know
would you
I
go
want-
for your honeymoon if you could?
I don't care.
Ooty.
Mathiran, I'll go. I'll go with the monkeys. I'll take photos also with the monkeys. You put. But I'm telling you, dude, my.
If you could have a celebrity husband, who would it be? Like you know how we see relationships.
yeah.
Like I love watching these like couple videos. So like who would you who like
I think
who would be your
Vicky Kaushal.
Oh my god, yes, I support. I am full support for this. Who would yours be, Ruben?
Dream bride,
Yeah.
dream wife.
Yeah.
I have a few, so I'm trying to.
He's like narrow. He's like मेरे को चलेगा. Like it is the there is a girl in my building also who is a very
There's
nice marriage.
Ileana D'Cruz.
Ooh, that's a great choice. Oh my god.
Tell yours.
Shahid Kapoor. Sorry. Like,
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, please.
Shahid Kapoor was nice.
Fuck off. Aishwarya, you are being, now you're crossing a line. Huh? All this, you
Yeah,
are
if I was
attacking
bi,
my,
okay, I would be
if
totally
you're,
like,
if
of
you're in
course.
my,
So annoying.
your face
What?
is annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Just because you've, like, have you met him and hung out with him and stuff like that?
No, I've heard stories about him.
Yeah, even I've heard those stories, but
Yeah.
like it's, and if honestly, there are these two couples, Dak Shepard and Kristen Bell, who have the most adorable like relationship, and he gifted her a zoo came to her house, and she loves sloths. And so there is this video of her just like crying and being like, I love sloths, and he's just laughing in this video. It's the cutest that and Ryan Reynolds and Blake
I was just
Lively.
gonna say Ryan Reynolds, Blake Lively.
Is that's
my relationship.
that is what I want. That is
I want
what
a
I
guy
want.
to insult me, but also love me.
Yes. So she technically wants a non-comic comic. That's what she wants.
That's all I want.
A non-comic comic.
Like,
So
be a bitch to me,
but
but
like,
then just be
yeah.
like, I can't live without
and let
you,
that
baby.
and let that bitchery like translate in the bedroom. Like let it
Yeah.
translate in the bedroom.
I think that's the tension, no? That
Yeah, that tension
Like,
is great.
spank me, but then apply moisturizer.
And then make ginger lemon tea. Okay. So thank you so much, Aishwarya, for joining us on this podcast.
It was my pleasure.
Okay. if
Yes.
you okay.
No, it was
I
our
hope at
pleasure.
the end of this, I find a boy. If yes, then this
Then-
podcast has been extremely successful.
And if,
Extremely successful.
okay. And
Otherwise, it's a
it
podcast.
Just
like
another
every other podcast. But yeah, thank you guys so much for listening. I will do the outros later, and I think we should be set.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.